Hey everybody, welcome to the first ever episode of Cookin' Cosplay. My name is Joel Nathan. Today we're going to be making sea salt ice cream with Sora. Let's get started. Okay, we got all of the ingredients, but first things first, we got to get into chef mode.
Give me strength!
Alright, let's get started.
First, we're going to take our low-fat 1% milk and heavy whipping cream. We're going to pour in 1.5 cups each and mix together. Next, we are going to need some cornstarch and a packet of unflavored gelatin. Now, taking 1 cup of the mixture you just made, we're going to pour it into a separate small bowl and mix in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix that in nicely, leave no lumps. Then take a packet of unflavored gelatin and mix that in too. Okay, with our 2 separate mixtures, let's move on to the next step. Next, we're going to take our initial milk and cream mixture and put it on a stovetop at medium heat. Then, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar and let that dissolve for a couple of minutes. Then, we are going to add our cornstarch mixture and let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Mix well. And now for the star ingredient in our ice cream, the sea salt. We're going to add approximately 3 heaping half teaspoons of sea salt. Once your cream gets to this texture, it's time for the next step. It looks good. So we're going to go ahead, turn off our stove, and move on to the next step. Alright, next we are going to, oh wait, give me a second. Yeah, that does smell good. We're going to transfer our cream into a heat-proof bowl. Then, we are going to add approximately 1.5 drops of our teal food coloring. Be very careful that you don't add too much, because we want to make sure we get that perfect light blue color as it does in the game. Whew, yeah, I am geeking out. Very carefully, we're going to transfer our cream, now colored, into a squeeze bottle, or you can use a piping bag, either way. The cream is still going to be very warm, so be sure you're careful. Then we're going to squeeze our cream into our popsicle molds. What I'm using right now is from Prepworks, is a frozen pop maker. You can order it off Amazon. And with the cream we had made, it should make approximately 7 popsicles at the most, maybe 6. I was able to get 7. Now that we carefully inserted our popsicles, it is time to freeze. I want to let that sit overnight. And by the morning, we are ready to take these out. Make sure you rinse your popsicles under warm water. That way they're a little bit more easier to take out. Next. Oh boy, that looks good. Time for a taste test. And perfect. The saltiness is not too overwhelming, and it is so sweet that I am at a loss for words. This is delicious. Yep, I love it.
Thank you for watching. See you next time on Cook and Cosplay.